Hey folks, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix highlights on Instagram that are not working. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I will recommend you hit that subscribe button down below, tap the notification bell to never miss any training content from us. So guys, without any further ado, we start right after the intro. Alright, so here we have our Instagram account, and I recently added a story to my story. So let me just show you the story real quick. This is a story I added 90 hours ago, but when I want to create a highlight from this story, I can't actually find the story in the highlight. So what you want to do to fix this issue, you just need to click on this hamburger sign right here at the top right corner, and then scroll all the way to archiving and download, and then you want to enable save story to archive. Switch this on, toggle this on, just like that, and then you go back and you click on new, and you can see from here you'll be able to see your story on your highlight. As you can see, this is the story on the highlight. So you just tick that, you select it, and then you click on next, and then you can add your highlight. Let's say something YouTube, because it's the logo of YouTube short, and then click on done. There is it, the highlight has been updated, and this is how you get to fix this Instagram highlight not working. You can check the highlight right now to see it has been added to your highlight on Instagram. And if that didn't work out for you, you want to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and you go to your Play Store, search for Instagram, just like that, click on it, and make sure it is updated to the latest version. If you see Instagram next to the uninstall button, you see update, you just want to click on the update button, and then once it's done updating, you open the app and you go through the steps that I showed earlier. So guys, that's how you get to fix Instagram highlights not working. If you found this video actually helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell to never miss any training content from us. So I catch you on the next one.